Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep, and today we are going to take a fascinating journey into the world of strategic planning by exploring an exciting model from Japan called Hoshin Kanri. Stay tuned as we delve into the 7 critical steps of this process and how it can help ensure company-wide communication and effective implementation of your business strategies. We'll also be discussing some essential tools and techniques that can help you successfully apply these strategies in your organization. So if you're keen on improving your strategic planning and want to learn how to set and achieve significant goals, then this video is for you. Let's dive into the exciting world of Hoshin Kanri, a strategic planning process from Japan that's all about company-wide communication and implementation. Hoshin Kanri is a 7-step process that revolves around a unified strategic vision. The term Hoshin Kanri originates from Japan, where Hoshin means direction and Kanri means administration. It's often translated as compass management, which perfectly encapsulates the essence of this strategic planning process. So how can your company embrace Hoshin Kanri? Well, let's break it down into 7 steps. Firstly, you need to define your ideal future state. You can't get somewhere if you don't know where you're going, right? This involves reviewing or creating your company's mission and vision statements to accurately reflect the ideal future state of your organization. Secondly, you need to define big goals. The heart of Hoshin planning is identifying and achieving breakthrough goals that will bring about significant positive change within your organization. These big goals could be related to new products or services, expanding your market, or a completely new way of working as a company. Keep in mind that these breakthrough goals may take 3 to 5 years to realize. This process is often implemented as part of a Lean Six Sigma strategy within manufacturing companies. The third step is to build your stepping stones. Every breakthrough goal needs to be broken down into smaller, more manageable chunks. So come up with your smaller goals for the next year. Create achievable steps that move your business towards your big goals. Fourth, it's time to align your teams. Once the annual goal is set, each division, work group, and individual must align their specific goals to support the company's overall objective. Fifth, roll up your sleeves and get to work. This is where various tools, software, and other processes come into play. The aim of this step is to ensure that all divisions and employees are making the progress they need to be making on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. Sixth, take a monthly pulse. As everyone is working towards the same goal, it's crucial to check in on a monthly basis to ensure that progress is being made. Supervisors and managers must understand how to motivate and encourage their team to continue moving toward the company's overall goal. Finally, conduct an annual audit. At the end of the first year, take a complete audit of what was expected and what was actually accomplished. If all went as planned, repeat the process for the second year with a new short-term goal. If not, reassess and adjust the goals as required. Now, let's talk about the Hoshin Kanri Matrix. By turning these 7 steps into a 1-page matrix document, your company will be able to see your overall goals, midterm goals, and individual initiatives all in one place. This matrix includes 4 quadrants: long-term objectives, 1-year goals, top-level priorities, and improvement metrics. The most critical components are represented in the center of the diagram, while the execution details surround that central goal. So how do you implement Hoshin Kanri? There are several application tools and techniques you can use. Firstly, there's the catchball technique. During the implementation process, there needs to be an active exchange between top management and mid-level managers. Picture it as a game of catchball, where strategy and goals are communicated and tossed to the middle management team, who set meaningful KPIs for tactical execution. This is then thrown back to top management to ensure they support the overall goal. Another way to implement Hoshin Kanri is through the A3 reporting system. This is a 3-stage feedback loop that's not back and forth but cyclical. Top management may start this process by outlining exactly what the long-term goals are, which is then sent to the middle management team. This trickle-down effect continues until it reaches the lowest team level for implementation. At this point, the how is detailed and makes its way around the circle back to top management, informing future planning and goal setting. So there you have it, the fascinating process of Hoshin Kanri, a strategic planning process that's all about direction, administration, and achieving big goals. And that concludes our video for today. Thank you for watching. We've explored the Hoshin Kanri process, a strategic planning model from Japan, and discussed its 7 critical steps and various implementation tools. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website at upkeep.com for more resources. We're dedicated to helping maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Stay tuned for more insightful content.